In a never-changing world, organizations need to adapt to digital transformation to stay relevant while being competitive to deliver customer value. JK Tech empowers its customers to embark on their digital transformation journey through offerings such as hyperautomation and modernization.
Hyperautomation will be pervasive for enterprises as they embark upon their scalability and growth agenda. JK Tech's hyperautomation solutions are laser-focused, bringing essential tools, use cases and POVs on an integrated platform necessary for customers to succeed.
JK Tech has always believed in constantly innovating and evolving to meet the needs of the industry.
We are committed to a superior experience. We have and we will continue to demonstrate this in every interaction we do with our customer and society. This is who we are.
JK Tech 2.0 shows the world that we are always ready to redefine and reinvent ourselves.
Unveiling of our new logo on the summit of Mount Everest
by itself is a testament of who we are. With us, you can imagine a future that promises progress through innovation, agility, and customer satisfaction.
Focusing on customer centricity, fostering a culture of accountability, respect and encouraging employee empowerment. With the mindset of an agile startup, we are your partners in imagining your future.